Hey y'all, Mike here with the watch list video for February 26th. Going to be a Monday. SPY hanging out at all-time highs again. Closed at the lows on Friday, but still you have another strong move higher. And we got one red day on lower volume. Again, I don't see a crash coming anytime soon. This is one strong market. Slide this over, pause the video and read it. Day traders. Start with the short version. We're day traders short. We start with the daily charts and look for stuff that should give some kind of A+ setup or could give some kind of A+ setup the following day, right? I love the way everybody works together in there. If you weren't around on Friday, my favorite call from Friday was in this, which is on the watch list for Monday, by the way, ATCH. Looks like it's only been trading since it's been ATCH for, maybe 8 sessions. Go to 5-minute candles, and Kevin P. pointed out the second mouse through 2 idea, which happened right there. I guess right there. It was about 15 cents risk, and it went to 349. It happened pretty quickly, so it made it worth sticking around if you were around in the afternoon. That was just a great post. So that's certainly my favorite one from Friday. So let's just start with that one. Even though, again, you only got 8 days to go on, we're definitely going to watch that one for a possible follow-through day on Monday. AXTI. Big pop, closed well off its highs, but makes the list. We'll see if we get an A+ setup in it. mRNA had the nice volume pop on Thursday. Quiet inside day on Friday. So maybe a third day play there. ASPI topped at 4 again. So you had the big rip. It really felt extended, right? So I wasn't sure if I should put it on the list, but I did. And then it hit 4 again. So now the break of 4 this coming week becomes more interesting now that it's hit it a couple times. MNY, I'm not in love with this one, but it made a nice 2-day move here, a nice daily move here, intraday move here. Then you had the gap up, and then on Friday it actually made a nice move from the open. Went from a little over 2 to almost 3. That's a big percentage move, and then just kind of chop sideways the rest of the day. But because that one can move at times, I'm going to go ahead and throw it on the list. Not in love with that chart, but we'll see. Let's see. SNBR is sleep number. Nice gap, little breakout on Friday, sorry. We'll look for a follow through on Monday. Closed well off its highs. And generally the average true range, or what I just referred to as the average daily range, and it is not very big. So I'm not in love with it, but we'll have it on a chart. TNDM, I didn't draw a trend line, but you can picture one if you follow my cursor from here to here, and it probably got right about to it here, but it did it in 1 day. So, I feel like this one needs to go flag for a day or 2, 3, whatever, but nice volume and certainly worth keeping an eye on. All right, that's TNDM, APLT. It's just consolidating after this really big 2-day run. It's just you can kind of picture it's coiling there. And the most recent high is $6 even, so maybe that comes into play. MRVI, you can't see it on this chart, but I think the 200-day is a little bit over $9. So I love the big volume breakout. I love the fact that Friday's high was 862. So over that, we might get a nice move on Monday, and we've got that 200-day above to act as a potential magnet. So that's why that one's on watch. BYON is the former overstock, right? Gapped up here, 3 sessions ago, so that would have been Wednesday. Topped out just around $30, and it's starting to curl back up again. So I do like the looks of that one. VTYX, we had the inside day on Friday we talked about in the video for Friday. And it certainly broke that inside day to the upside. You got still a potential couple catalysts. 725, I like the fact that it topped out at the quarter number on Friday. That's Friday's high, 725. And then Wednesday's high, just above that, 750. So you could argue, hey, it's trading clean, right? With quarter numbers, half numbers. So I like the looks of this one. It's the one that an analyst was comparing its results, weight loss results, to like the Ozempic brands and all that. I don't know if it's the same style of drug. I'm a day trader, so I don't get too involved in that. But it certainly had a nice pop on Wednesday, and it's working its right back. Let me try that again. It's working its way right back up to Wednesday's highs. I'm trying to get my voice back, so I probably should cut this. Should quit babbling so much. NVAX, NVAX, has again another 2-day high 438 on Thursday, 438 on Friday. I'm sorry, let me try that again. 546. I don't know where the hell I got that 438. That might have been the low. I was looking at the low. Anyway, 546 on Friday, 546 on Thursday. So certainly interesting over that. You might want to say, hey, I'd like it to break the half first, maybe over 550, but certainly worth having on a chart. It's been a rough weekend, man. I haven't slept very well. Wake up coughing and all that stuff. Anyway, PLCE, monster move from here to here. It's pulled back for a few days. Kind of had that gap down reversal back to the upside on Friday. So certainly could continue higher. AMLX had the breakout on Thursday, quiet inside day on Friday, looking for a third day play. And then lastly, RXRX. You could say, hey, this almost round tripped Thursday's move on Friday, which is true, but I would argue the real move started from down here, right? So you got to move from here to here, and now you're getting back down near the moving average. I'd like to see maybe one more red day, but there's some consolidation here that could act as support. So I'm going to go ahead and throw this on Bounce Watch already on Monday, but certainly preferably a little bit later in the week. All right, I'm done babbling. We'll see you guys in chat.